We want to evaluate the given expression when a equals -2, b equals 12, c equals 19, and d equals 35. To do this, we'll perform substitution and then evaluate the expression using the order of operations. The given expression is the quantity a plus b divided by the quantity c minus d. When performing the substitution, we'll put parentheses around the substituted values. So in the numerator, a is equal to -2 plus b is equal to 12. In the denominator, we have c, which is 19, minus d, which is 35. When we have an expression in fraction form, we simplify the numerator and denominator separately, then simplify the fraction. So looking at the numerator, we have -2 plus 12, which equals positive 10. In the denominator, we have 19 minus 35. We can also think of this as 19 plus -35. Either way, the result is going to be -16. So we have 10 over -16, or 10 divided by -16. Because we have a positive divided by a negative, or because the numerator is positive and the denominator is negative, we can write this as -10/16. But we do need to simplify this fraction as much as possible. The greatest common factor between 10 and 16 is 2. To show this, we can write 10 as 2 times 5 and 16 as 2 times 8. And because 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1, the fraction simplifies to -5/8. In this form, because the only common factor between 5 and 8 is 1, we know the fraction is in simplest form. So the exact value of the given expression when a equals -2, b equals 12, c equals 19, and d equals 35 is -5/8. Let's also verify this on the calculator. To do this, we'll enter this expression here, but we'll include a set of parentheses around the numerator and denominator. We do have some parentheses here that we could drop, but let's go ahead and leave it as is. So we have an open parenthesis to begin the numerator, and then we have -2 plus 12, close parenthesis to end the numerator, then divided by, open parenthesis to begin the denominator, and then we have 19 minus 35. And then finally, close parenthesis to end the denominator. Notice how it's giving us a decimal value. To convert to a fraction, we press Math, Enter, Enter, verifying -5/8 is correct. I hope you found this helpful.